Hello, banana family. I'm your gorilla professor. Today, we talk about something very important. Bananas. Bananas are money. Bananas are food. Bananas are happiness. What is inflation? Let's explain it with bananas.
Last month, with 10 bananas, I could buy a basket full of food. Life was good, very banana rich. But today, with the same 10 bananas, I can only buy a tiny handful of peanuts. Something feels very wrong.
No, the bananas did not shrink. My hands are still the same size.
This is called inflation. Inflation means your bananas lose value. Prices go up, even when your bananas do not.
Long ago, there were only a few bananas in the jungle. Bananas were special. Then someone said, let's make more bananas for everyone.
Now, the jungle is full of bananas. Too many bananas. When bananas are everywhere, bananas are worth less.
Sellers see this and think everyone has bananas, so they raise prices. One banana becomes 5 bananas.
This is how buying power disappears. Your bananas slowly melt away, quietly, very quietly.
So what should we do? Don't let your bananas sleep in a basket. Plant them. Let your bananas grow.
Remember the gorilla rule. Make your bananas work. Subscribe for more banana economics. Stay smart, stay banana.